Soup is in the market and beef is in the bone. What don't concern you, nasty curly? Leave it alone. You think how we make not make the money? Say we are God picking it, say we are God picking it, and all not do we so no can't stop we are God picking it, we are God picking it. What's up, speak my mind? I'm back. I've not dropped a video from Friday. I drop a video, I don't drop another one on the channel. So Saturday, Sunday. Them nasty people, yeah. One go come with next, the funeral done and gone. What next? Okay. Me soon I run it something else already. Because I've not been on social media from Saturday. Since evening, Sunday evening. I go up on the media to see what I go on. And I soon I run it on the next topic. And I know it's going to be on the next topic. Because I already start on it already. With Urian claim to say, make me go on, me pass one channel seat mark. Urian begging. Me see one next one mark. Come here 99. Urian begging. Is what? Like them I try to say, okay, he's from 99 camp, so what you expect? Are that on the next topic? Because the funeral done and gone now. So on the next topic that. Alright. All the criticism still now move Jericho wall. Still now move the Berlin wall. We still standing strong and forever stand strong. While on our beat up on a stomach. Some on go have our Ulster soon drop down. Some on soon have some farmer heartstring or bust or blood vessel bust in our head. Because the more we talk, the more we get stronger. The more we talk, the more we get stronger. Nasty curly, are you me come for? Although me see a dirty friend Tina Chin in the comment. You understand? A comment and a go on with herself. Before she go over them on the page, we have put out all our information with our data. And all our information from back then. From when she had tried to carry down people. Plus, we are data up on our page publicly when we might not see. Because the man they have archive when you can go in and me not have none. People, this is Curly we claim to say she no watch Dana. And if me not watch a person, I mean not with a person, there is nothing can get me to be with them. My closest friend or family could have in some form of dealings with them that still now make me watch them. And you cock up on your phone, sit down and wait. The way you chat big. If you see, Dana go live. That when you can't see it on YouTube live, people have to send you a link with somebody else up on YouTube and go live. So, me never know say you are this friend to Miss Richie, so you have to watch Miss Richie funeral. Because me here talk about, and she make me a watch, and Miss Richie, and you me love and respect Miss Richie, where you know Miss Richie from. You never ever meet Miss Richie, no time at all you come to Jamaica, you ever meet Miss Richie. So Miss Richie becomes your friend. Anyway, my people, this video, because a 3 different video the woman do, you know. 3 different video the woman do on the whole funeral. Me see one platform have a part 1, part 2, and soon to be part 3. She do one video where she go about 24 minutes. She have one where she go 9 minutes and add, and she have another one where she go must be 3. What? I don't know if I don't want to tell a lie, but either 30 or something or another. But it's 3 video. So we are gonna start from this one. Me not do the whole 3 of them. You don't know my style. Oh, remember, you don't know what to do already. You don't need to have to spell it out. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Please to hit the thumbs up. And remember to watch the ads and still support the backup channel. The link is in the description. It's also posted in the comment section. So just go over there, go watch what you want to watch. No phone, who never familiarize with the channel. Who never familiarize now since I post the funeral service. So when you want a relaxing time, you go over the cook vlog, entertainment, drama, commentary, you know, outdoor cooking and adventure to come. Start the ball a roll here so with dirty curly like how we make you now make no money but sheet come.
Me da funeral ya baba. da funeral, Baba. Una da funeral pan a Saturday morning, yeah.
You wait very early for it though. Sleepless night, countless nights. And your friend Tina get up after 5 one morning depend the woman name.
People una da funeral. Yes, my dear, funeral I keep yes, my dear, me go on one that page, mama, go I Miss Richie funeral, me de Baba. Wanna know what funeral? What? 8,000 people, 600. Miss Richie, have a big funeral they do. Good man, me de on YouTube, but the phone they cut off and then me just go, me not get some phone calls, so me never come back.
So you see from YouTube, Facebook. YouTube, Facebook. You love planka business, sir.
99 a piece of tissue. You mean say give a piece of dry trash, not a ball in a go so. With our fake self. Rest in peace, Miss Richie.
So all balling go. You more fake, you know, because you never meet Miss Richie, but Miss Richie are your friend. Miss Richie are your friend, so all more fake, and you never even meet her yet for shake her hand. I want to know how balling go. One, Miss Richie are 93-year-old. One, me sure know you know see Ernie a cry. You know see Claudia a cry. You know see Norman a cry. That no mean them no feel it. It's not everybody express themselves the same way. You understand? And if Dana a shed little tears through she upon cowball, and she a roll up and down at the church, that means she not ball or she not feel nothing. Let me tell you something, because you see through the back of the door, because you just in a people business. So when people reach this age, you're not going to find not even the closest family member. You're going to hear a ball out in a church, like where you hear people in a church a ball, a funeral, a burying ground. You're not going to hear that. Miss Richie reach of age, she's 93 years old. She live more than the amount of life where you could have lived. So people in that age, you're not going to hear no cow balling for nobody and nobody a roll and them sitting there again. That are most balling for younger people now when they live no life. And middle age people that Miss Richie age, you won't hear them type of balling that funeral no more. More than people grieve and feel and them stomach grab up on them and them throat dry. And the tears na them high but it now come. So me don't know where you come and talk about the woman now ball a dry trash she want to wipe her face.
But she got their white face. She said she afraid of germs and she afraid of some dead people. But yet she did a rub face for camera. I rub the woman face and I wipe off lips.
Afraid of germs like you and your friend them. Germs like you, active germs like you were visible. We're afraid of because we can't soon. You can't afraid of things where you can't see. We're afraid of Uno as germs. You, Laurie and T, girl, Mishik, Bradshaw, Bob, Cartoon, the whole of we're afraid as germs. I'm afraid of not saying we're afraid as in afraid. You understand? We just don't want to get entangled with because we a dirty bungle. Germsy bungle.
And I rub jaw. We can't take fakeness, you know.
Fake no fake, you know, and real no real. And that's why when you try to get in to the woman, we outside, majority of us did say you're fake. It takes she a happening to realize say you're fake. So fake no fake. So if you ever call her fake, you are fake. Because you're not real.
And one of the ugliest castic me ever see for a old man. What a ugly castic. I don't care what they want to say.
Did it contribute?
And the casket there, a cheap casket. Then I wish bad guys a funeral cost $1 million. Where?
You the way Hartford, Connecticut, and you can say the casket is a cheap casket. Which part there you don't know if a board make it, glass make it, cardboard make it, or dry trash make it. But you just sit down on your phone because of content that the casket that cheap casket. Which part of the funeral cost $1 million? Who did tell you say the funeral cost $1 million? And in this whole video, when me have video with you, prove say only just bitter with people because you know come and talk about an opinion, you know. And everybody have opinion. But as me say, I no opinion you not have, a bitterness you not have. I'm not going to tell you why a bitterness you not have. Just continue to listen, my people.
Look on a cheap casket, yeah. How much you pay for a casket, yeah? It's a casket that cost more about $275. Yes. Because I want the ugliest casket me ever see. After Miss Richie is not a child, we have buried woman a pink for. And I mean, okay. Look on the clothes that put on for the woman like the woman a man. We had there put on the woman like in a church at a Miss Richie gone to church. In a piece of old, in a jacket suit here. What?
Almost every elderly woman buried in a hut like that, a church type hut. Whether you go to church or not, almost every elderly person buried into a church hut. I can't remember seeing an elderly woman where I bury, whether she go to church or not go to church, we don't into a church hut. Remember, Miss Richie is not a fashionable person, you know, or a fussy person, you know. So we are talking about. But me I make you continue to talk.
Come to a nice little lovely dress. What happened to a nice little silk, nice little dress? Put the woman in a something like a man. I kiss my ass. I don't care always cuss because I'm telling you, I'm serious. Look what they dress the woman in a. Look here. In a one skirt, one little dress, a little pink jacket. Where me say like
You see all these people lie? Look what them dress the woman now. One little skirt and one little pink jacket. Were you at the funeral? I was there and I never see a skirt or a dress. All I see is the jacket because you can't see no further down. You can't even see the tail of the jacket because that under the casket. So how you stay at Hartford, Connecticut and see dress or skirt? The woman in a inside marina. Me no see not way down at the woman below the woman waist. You know, she have skirt or she have an dress and you're there at Connecticut and you see all of that. Eh? You don't have no call what kind of ganzi, what kind of dress, what kind of frock, or what kind of jacket the woman want to bury in. You never contribute. And when I want your contribution, refuse it just like how the church refuse yours. Because the church give you a good example to refuse anything from you. You understand? The people them choose them choice what them want. You don't contribute nothing, man. So if a jacket them want bury in them just up and put her in her jacket. How you did know say them never tell her say she want bury into a jacket?
seriously. I'm talking when me see. Come over here, watch her.
Say hi to the Blackatarians. Hi. Look at the handsome baby. Handsome boy. Yeah.
Look on the amount of money where the woman get and bury the woman in a walk of cheap piece of pink jacket with all them a lovely pretty frock.
Yes, we can. Yes, we have to.
A public platform, this is my platform, that's why I come live so I can chat. Because I could have go over there go type up. This is a public platform. 8,000 people watch mine and I carry it over here. So go on over there go watch it.
Yes. And we all love her. See, we love her. Oh my God.
You know, we don't understand them people, yeah. One, them keep saying, what kind of funeral value $1 million? What kind of funeral? And this is what I'm saying. You people just go around and mislead fool followers them for them jump on a wagon and sing with you. Nobody did tell us that this funeral finally cost $1 million. But guess what, me know? Through the whole talk from day one with the performer invoice, when Claudia just got check out the funeral and there was some performer invoice saying 1.8 million, one this, one that. Which they are performer invoice. When you go to a place and you ask for a performer invoice, that's not the last price. Because you can add to it and you can take away as them tell you when you did watch a video. And as the Star Jones come and explain. You just go check out so you have an idea of what the price is like. So you are going to make your decision finally. The final, before I go there, so with Uno saying this and I criticize $1 million for one little old man funeral, when you can get one funeral cheaper and rare and dirty nasty cracker teeth, Lorraine over there with her false teeth we are rotten. I talk about, a Dan, she go like a era leader, we shall give her $1 million funeral for, but it still. On the day of the funeral, where the funeral cost 700,000, Uno come and Uno criticize again. So, this is the reason why Dana now do not please Uno. She please herself and her supporters. You understand? And who is with her? Because most of the supporters them not even real neither. Them just they have to carry news just so just they have, you know, and the closest them can get to hear where them can hear because them figure more the closest them get and the more them can hear and know and see things. If you carry but tell you now twist it or no want to twist it. But the funeral end up cost $700,000. But now you don't worry about cheap castic and this and that cheap and how much money woman get. And I only see him one day say the woman must get no bashy funeral. What kind of glass castic you not talk about? I want to go older man, you not going like she had done, or you not going like she era leader, you don't want to give her carriage, or you don't want to give her donkey, horse or carrier, and all them something there, and glass castic. You can get one nice funeral for a 400,000 mere dirty Lorraine go. I must see one of them raw box that she talk about. Because you run with an exile out of Jamaica for much years and don't know nothing where you go on, you don't know the price and nothing. You take up on the phone and claim the sound of call here, there and everywhere. When you call a funeral woman and tell you how much money for your box, you don't see the box that they tell you about. The secretary answer you could have never interested in your call. She could have in her mood. She could have stressed. She could have even have a lunch money at the morning. So she just tell you what she want to tell you. It could have hurt her. All kind of things. You go on like you did that Jamaica physical and you walk in and you view and you say how much of this, how much of this, how much of that. You understand? But now they come and criticize the same funeral and say the woman don't need no big funeral. And the next thing me hear with Lord God, I got the cassette for the 700,000. How can a funeral package cost 700, call it flat 700,000. When I go the ad, come in, remember the ad. And you are a single outside the castic cost 700,000. So is the castic alone make up the package? The castic make up the package. Storage of the body make up the package. Preparing the body for the funeral make up the package. Other accessories and stuff make up the package. You understand? And remember now the whole pay for out of that. The package, the whole pay for also. The next thing you want to come and criticize, Lord, 2 somebody got the on top or 3 somebody got the that all is for 2. And it come back to where me and say, Unwa said the woman must get no big funeral because she not done and she not this and she not that. But the more economic way the people them take for bury the woman and bury her comfortable and respectable, you still a criticize. A double hole is cheaper. If you want a single hole, you'd have to probably pay 2 times the amount where you pay for the double hole. You understand? I wouldn't say when I go on like say, Dana a bird in the Planka Nation packet, which we not respond soon because the people are willing to spend their money. If a single hole, them would say, a single hole. But what? We have to use our conscience because other people out there want help. Other people want assistance. But we don't make it look like say the woman a burn down Planka people them pocket. And the more economical way where the people them take, okay, take a double hole. So if the single hole that costs 400 or 500 or 1,000, we want to pay like 100 and something thousand for the hole. Because it's a double hole. We don't find problem with all that. A package for 700 and 1,000 don't consist of the castic alone. But you know dunce, when a narrative small, like a ants. Yeah, man. And people, I want to tell you, you should criticize the casket. Somebody send me a casket where allegedly the woman of them say take her up from Jamaica, carry her America, that passed off. And me hear she talk about cheap casket. So the casket, me I put the casket on the thumbnail. Me not gonna put it in the video. I'm going to put it on the thumbnail. As a matter of fact, I'm going to show you the casket. Bear with me a little bit. Although I'm going to put it on the thumbnail. Bear with me a little bit. People, look if you can see that casket here. I don't want the person name show. Look on that casket here. When I look on it. What expensiveness look on this casket? So what? Through the casket plain it expensive because me she said them shall put me switch in a plain casket. Look on it. I want to see it, my people. When I look upon the casket, my people, see another angle like that. When I look upon it, when I tell me, when I say expensiveness man upon this casket, and this is the woman that them sent for Marcia from Jamaica, our adopted mother casket. You understand? Me I put them on the thumbnail. So me want to know where the expensiveness the in that casket there. What the far different look from that casket more than Miss Richie one have on colors. Miss Richie is a woman always like bright popping colors. He's not a woman that has to know light black. Alright? So the people them were thinking of okay, bury her in a bright color, popping color. If pink was the choice, who is you to tell the people them say pink is not the choice? If them they choose red, under say there's something different. If them they choose one bright blue, under say something different. And from me I grow, them say pink are for females and blue are for boys. So when we check the levels, probably two them say bright color. Them choose pink. Because pink is a popping color. Them couldn't go choose blue. Them couldn't choose red neither, because red probably too bright. There's a lot of other bright color out there. But the two only color I probably choose is the pink and behalf because them say pink are for woman and probably yellow. A popping yellow. You understand? Yeah. A popping yellow would probably something good can use also. But if the people them choose pink and that's their choice, who is you, Marcia? You choose. If I don't think I you buy the woman casket. But you come and talk about better than put the woman in one pink, in a one plain casket. When you're dead man, tell them put in a one plane one, helicopter one, one ship one, not plane only. You want to come dictate what to do and you're going to spend $1?
This guy talk about what it is. This is a very cheap casket. This is a $2,000 casket, $200,000 casket. That's not a good casket. And the casket is ugly. She's a big woman. She don't need that whole prettiness.
So this is a special arrangement.
So true, she's a big woman. You're not a big woman. So when you're in your pretty and your cheap fandangles, them are run around all about in America. You don't feel like somebody else that sit down and say, you're a bigger man. You don't need those fancy and pretty fandangles. Not knowing people, they even not know say boy are some cheap something. China wear cheap something, disposal things, because I be a disposal thing everywhere, you know. I come in for you, you know. Just wait till I reach a part for me come for you. Oh, cheap casket. Yeah, the way I Connecticut and you can estimate the price, see it.
don't know where they come over here. I don't know where they come over
Try
here.
and make sure the one where you have a bury in expensive. Make sure you left money behind to buy it or go pay feet before you go.
Real one like this, she don't make these. This about this from Jones.
I want your listener. Donna go around now. I show some appreciation and giving thanks to a few people that reach out, like with the reads and stuff like that. So she reached 2 reads where common mama make them. So she make the public know said this a common mama make this and whatsoever. She claimed to say Donna turn the woman thing in an advertisement. You understand? Remember now, you know. Common mama a part of planka, and if the woman there on spot where the woman Donna thank the people them we pay common mama directly to provide these reads. Why not advertise say yes as she make them XYZ? Wanna listen?
Some does these and they are very nice. And if you look at it, you wouldn't know that it is.
For who don't know who's common mama?
You
Win
wouldn't know
some.
that it is plastic. It's not real. So Winsome made the thing. This purple one and Winsome made this. So if you don't want funeral arrangement, you just call him for another one from his Marcia.
You actually advertise at the woman funeral.
Chicken back.
She not could advertise after.
Chicken back did the purple one. Yes.
The service procession not start yet. So what better time to do it? When a time when the casket come out and the reeds put away or down at the burial ground. I tell you about you know. It's not opinion, it's bitterness. You don't mind she did advertise your sheep them though. If one of your sheep them they come down with the Jamaica color flag like and you say, okay, this Jamaica flag sheet is from Marcia, Kakai, Curly, Never Bless. You're glad to hear that though. But one of you have bitterness against it.
So chicken back pay for the purple one. This was done by chicken back. And these two are from
As I said, Donna just like tell the people them thanks we pay for the things them and you have a problem.
Nice. Nice. You should have smiled. Leave, yeah. You should have smiled. Yeah, you should have smiled. Yes, Lady V, a guy with beautiful Lady V.
Lady V no look at a ass beautiful nothing. I come from a foreigner with a piece of cheap frock.
But you know we're not there. Everything that people have on is a problem to you. Everything where people have on is a problem to you. And you know we're not there. You know we're not elegant. Because when you feel like it is elegant, it's not elegant. But because you are wear it, you feel like it's elegant. You understand? And it's expensive and it's not. Look by your dress when you come out and create excitement about designer. Come now. Ready for you.
Could that look a hypocrite one day? Could it two hypocrite, two fuck of them? Could it two fuck of them there? The one that's long in the car. The one we are lick out her behind for contents. That them two old fuck of them. Look there, quite two rascal sit on this up. Who fire you dirty bitch? That's the latest. Look at it goes drunk crop. Boom bye batty boy.
My name never called Pan Batty in all of my life. But your son name called Pan Batty in social media. You understand? And it is possible because of where I'm there. And if me I do Batty, your Batty, and your son Batty, me who no want them the Batty there. So me sure no say, and never me, them catch with him. Me sure no say, And never me, them draw for him. Me sure no say, and never me, them will catch a gun away with him. So oh, you know say me a batty boy. Come tell the public how you know that. You understand? The one where you push out of your big bumbo, them call him batty boy. Them never call me so yet. So oh, you know that? That allegation never draw against me. It draw against somebody for you, your bloodline. So oh, you will come out, come call me that.
I can't stand them two motherfucker there.
Me and the latest.
See the bitch girl latest there.
Because see how your stomach are tight up on you. If you see that to somebody you claim say you eat so much. You see them so close to 99. Because of your dirty ways, you are like saying to yourself, damn. You start to shiver of some form of every heart, and your heart are tight up on you, your chest are tight up on you, your throat are get dry. Your phone normally tell you say it's water time. Got so much time, it tell you water time. Because the amount of water you're supposed to drink, because you're jealous of the way you see it happen, because it should have been you. Yes, it could have been you. If it never for your filthy ways, probably you would have did it, yes? Probably you would have did it, but because of your filthy ways.
And him gonna cuss me later.
You know, you're going to cuss you, man. You know, so we are come cuss you. Me especially. So I content you look. Oh, I content you look. So I come cuss you. Oh.
Latest is the latest shit house, exactly. I look a dirty boy in the car with some glasses. Look when come look a polka dot, but him come and fit.
Latest are the latest shit house. Yes, that's how your friend them work. Right in the comment section. I'm glad you know. She had the latest shit house, but uno had the long time shit house. The one them where you draw no chain. Not even the one them you talk about, The one that you draw chain, With the big old pipe outside, No, we are talking the pit latrine. Other type of shit house the uno is. You understand? Not the regular draw chain toilet. Not the one that where you have to, when you get up and when you're done wiping it, you have to look when you stretch your hand and you see the chain and you look at you. Not even that the toilet down is. You know the real pit toilet where dig at least 30-20 feet below the top of the surface and black up on it, just put one toilet seat on it and cement it. Some people might use the red work and red work it. Yeah, we roach crawl out and bite on all about pound. So that type of shit house there. Is not the regular one that you draw chain. Not to mention the latest one. So latest are the latest one, but one are the long time one. My time now.
I will a polka dot. Need to go buy clothes.
Marcia, ready for you now. Marcia, see them right here, so I have them line up. People, she said me in a polka dot. Who know polka dot? Look on that shirt here. This look like polka dot too, no? Look. This look like a polka dot too, no? First thing, polka dot clothes not join. The dot them not join. Look on it. Marcia, a $7,000 for that shirt here. And me I go talk to you now, because dollar is a dollar. You never wear nothing value 7,000 yet. Never wear nothing value 7,000 US dollar yet. You understand? Me see if you buy one car equalizer for your car, where you say how much it inconvenient to water wet up and you say 2,000 feet and you ball if you spend the 2,000. My car system in my car value over 400,000. And not even my tweeter them now value 2,000. And you're afraid to spend 2,000. My pants are $8,000 for my pants. $8,000 for my pants. So this, I call this 15,000 yes already. This 28,000. So this are 43,000 already. Let me show you something. See one of the bag of cards, them wrap up the clocks in a bag from dust, then them put them in the box. See them people? Because we don't come and tell lie. 28,000 for me desert. Alright? I'm going to show you something now. None of what I show you, me never buy it for the funeral. Me never buy it today or this year or last month. Because me not buy some. When me buy, me take up money and go shop. Because what? Me is not a fashionable person. So me not have to shop for what in a fashion. Me shop for what suit me, what me can wear in general. So me prepare if it's a wedding, me have something for it. If a funeral, me have something for it. If a bugo yaka, if a dance hall, me have something for it. That's so me shop. Me not shop on the day if you go buy nothing. I'm going to show you. See here, when the shirt you buy, the pants and them you buy last year. Way up in a last year. My desert by December last year. The first I put it on. You know, I talk in one video already when I show all my desert. Where our dirty nasty friend, the wingless drunk crew, I talk about what kind of shoes is that? And those shoes stop wear. Desert can't stop wear. Clarks can't stop wear. Are the longest serving shoes them you can't ever think of and will ever think of. Clarks can't stop wear. See it here people? Brand new. They ever wear it. Tag them on them same way. See that? See that? I wear the tag for this there. I don't even know me do the tag for the shirt. See that? I yesterday I cut off the tag off of this. The whole of them I buy one time last year. See them the tag still the on them and them I never wear yet. Me I show you something again. When me I do this, me I try to show you say everything me wear come a funeral yesterday brand new. Down to the cheap rag me buy for wipe my face was brand new. The only thing I yesterday me buy that because I left out of my house without kerchief. Look at Marcia up to my underpants when I wear last night yesterday brand new. When me I buy them at Marcia, if when me go in the store and them have 50 different color, 50 underpants me buy. If them have 100 different color, 100 underpants me buy. Me not buy 1 and 2 and 3 underpants, Marcia. And them your underpants ya. Well, when I buy, or when I go buy something last year when I go in the store, them have actually same brand name and actually same color. Somebody only buy 3 underpants when me never have the color there in the lot. So, about 3 of them underpants ya is with some underpants I buy way up in the year last year, about January last year, New Year last year. Me count them show you. See it here? People look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. And 1 brand new come out of the lot yesterday. And see there? Fruit of the loom. Alright? So, Marcia, let me check off now. $28,000 for my desert. Call it $15,000 for my pants and my shirt. You understand that is 38, 43. And put my underpants at about. Put that even 800. 51,000 that. What me say? 51,000. All my beard, the shave of my hairstyle brand new yesterday. You understand? Everything I have on from my shirt, pants, underpants and my shoes cost 51,000. Not even when you calculate the US dollar and a Jamaican dollar you ever wear come out of your house value so much. Going nowhere. So when you go talk about polka dot, look good. People, this a polka dot. Me as a youth, me just simple. When I buy the pants, I look on the color, I'm in at the store, and I go around. There's a whole heap of fashionable color and sitting. Me no want them sitting there. Me no like printed clothes. Me in want just plain ganzi like this. Plain t-shirt, shirt like this. Nothing right up on it. Me never want the brand. Having a brand, me no want the brand name upon it. Me just simple. And me tell you these people, me no buy clothes because it's expensive. Me buy clothes because me like it. So if me see a shoes out there so, and me like it, or a shirt or a pants and it value $1, From me like it and make me comfortable, I buy it. Me nah go buy something because it name, big name, and to it value $50 million. And then it depend me. Me not make it no justice because it not look good pan you. You understand? And it look skin up and it look ugly. Me buy will suit me. So Marcia, you can't come talk to me about clothes, about one clothes. Marcia, you know, wear nothing expensive. I be cheap and clean. You wear be a disposal clothes. You wear, Marcia. Down to your ears ring, them a disposal ears ring. See why they got the Chinese shop go left for much ticket I do Chinese them for themselves for your gala. And you take the woman 1 ton load of ears ring and sit and tell the woman but when the ticket them sell, she will take the money from it because you know so the ticket them never they go sell. And when the woman call up on you for your money because the ticket them not sell, you tell the woman horse dead and cow fat. Marcia, I no trust clothes. Me do without when me not have no money, when me have my money, me go buy it in a bulk. And as I say, me not fashionable, me simple going. You will never see me in this whole pile loud clothes. No. Continue talk.
Yes, so she nice. She come back and change her black frock and put her pink.
You look like that yet?
You sit down and wait. You're so early, you wait this morning for this.
Me never hear not like that yet in my life.
So early you wake up just to catch this
Me
live.
not make no money from this. I share it over YouTube to make money. Me
That's
just
all.
sharing this because me like Miss Richie. Me not make no money from this.
You make money, of course. You're making money because you're streaming it live. And because you're streaming it live, you're going to have surplus followers and viewers. Because you're streaming it live. So you make money. So don't come tell the public say you not make no money. But it's just grudgeful and bitterness about you. Because when you look on the woman top of her screen, you say 10.1 somebody I watch it live. So don't tell nobody say you not make no money. But that's your problem, money worries.
I YouTube. May I share this to my members only?
You should not share it none at all. Make them go elsewhere, go watch it. Like the elsewhere. And just like how you can find it, they will find it.
This is a woman here, Miss Richie, have on the same outfit. Then what kind of funeral this? Not even praise and worship are going. All them do, I get chatting and I highlight people. Feel like a hooligan are going.
You see, when you're dunce and you're bitter against people, you know, sit down and take no time to analyze. You know, sit down and take no time and observe and watch where you're going. All because she see Star Jones up on the mic and talk. How are this? First thing she starts saying, oh, Miss Richie and Star Jones in the same jacket. What that have to do with you? Suppose it's like a principle of the funeral parlor where if they're taking up full responsibility of finding clothes to dress the person and whatsoever, the undertaker who's driving the vehicle going to actually dress the same way. So I don't know, just say no. Suppose it's a policy or for them little thing with them have. What you be if she want in the same jacket? Star Jones is a planker also. So what if she is close to Miss Richie and figure more she want in her jacket when Miss Richie had same jacket like when Miss Richie are wearing her? Is that a problem to you? And as me say, you not take no time because you just run with anything you want to say. The woman that they attack, and because the woman that they attack on the mic, remember now, you know, the service not start yet, you know, but she wouldn't know that because she not take no time to realize that. And Star Jones out there just go and sing some gospel song and play some gospel song and attack and thing and whatsoever and ear with ear. Watch ya. What kind of get a book you got sitting in this? Them they've never funeral procession. Them they've never no funeral service, nothing like that. Watch out, people just attack on mic. Bitterness, that show your bitterness. That not show your opinion, that show your bitterness. Because you're bitter against people so much that you want to see the worst of them. You always want to see them fail. You don't want to see them do nothing good. So all when time them go do something good about to do so. It just coming like, you know. Me do one vlog one day, I remember if you remember. Where me I say, sometimes people carry news. But here them carry the news now. You want somebody to stand up and talk and like something that happen here, say, yeah man, them say him grab the bag. When that person that pass you, carry the nose, you know, the money hear when you say, yeah man, the money hear when you say, him grab the bag. Them go back and tell the person, say, you stand up down the road and say, him grab bag. But them never hear when you say, them say. You understand? So at this now with them, yeah, she just see the woman talk on the mic and she start talk and criticize. What kind of sit not in my church service? No. Continue.
Yeah. All Facebook account. Yeah. Mirrors, how kind of funeral this? Look on a boy the dress. Look how dress, look how short and ugly. The
I
boy
mean,
that carry over there cuss me. Look how dress. Look how dress like up his old man pants and short. Mirrors look like him pop down. Look there. Watch him. Watch him a big up bloggers. Rasta the woman funeral. Look how it's a scarecrow boy.
so funeral service proceedings have start yet. And guests are there. Star Jones have few personal mic where she work with her earth or whatever no one call it. Where she do her thing and she big up the people them will come. Something wrong with that? If them want, she want address somebody as a social media person or address the person by them social media name, what that have to do with you? If you did you don't want him Marcia ever bless, don't it? You don't want your right name. You don't want him Marcia ever bless or a big deal. Look at you. Marcia, me there Jamaica and me poor and pauperizing. And me now ask Christ if me now live better than you. Me born come no hungry. You understand? Me no born with no rich family and no big name family. Me born come see my mother struggle with me and my little sister. And to part God put me right here now. Probably for about the back, mother say, for the past, put it at 18. Fully 18. For the past 18 years. Me no know hungry, Marcia. Anytime I'm hungry, me want hungry because to me love my bed. Me love sleep. So sometimes I'll sleep, me put away, me use and put away hungry. But me no know hungry for the last 18 years. And for all of the rest of years then before that, me never make them trouble me all when me hungry. The police record clean like Jesus Christ one. If you take up my one, you wonder if a Jesus one or a my one. Because it is so clean. And me is not a beggar. Me no make people things ready I me. Me no finger fearing. So when you go talk about pop down, me can't bet you any money. Me better off than you in a life. And a first world country you live for how much years. Because you not go through no suffering because so you talk, you know. Because your band comes to the tail of them land and this land and that the land. So you should have alright in a life right now after spending 30 odd years or 40 odd years in America, which is a first world country. You should have alright because you band with kickstart. You band get started in a life and you have nothing at all. More than government
So
benefit America.
Look, this is Tony Woman funeral in a puppy show. A big up lady this and sitting and whatever.
You jealous?
What a rass. Me tell you, Miss Richie, I come knock on a bomber window, you see, make sure stay there, but she got a rub face. Where the that evil service a go on? Watch her over there, chat a little bitch girl over there. Late.
All services start and the procession not ready yet. The pastor not reach yet. It's just the funeral home are going live up the place and play some music and whatsoever. Dunsas, jackass, bitter heart woman.
This piece of shit by a rockstone top. Watch her. All a big up, if not even like a praise and worship and moment of silence I go on for the woman. Then a funeral this. I know the woman I love now for chatting. And meet and greet. Who the little rascal there? Eh? Watch them and show earth out the door.
Everything trouble her.
Never see come see people them here.
The camera got point out a door and the earth a show. Watch them a show earth out a door. And never say come see people them here. Oh, never say come see come in at this. The camera personnel, the right at the, I think Adana have the camera upon us. And she the right at the door. She a go move away and the camera point out a door upon the earth. You have a problem with that? Never say come see. Oh, never say come see come in at this. Come here, Marcia, we never go to school. You never go to school in Jamaica for sure. I put my neck on the block. Marcia, you never enter school gate in Jamaica. Because if you enter school gate in Jamaica, that means you come on social media, come tell people lie, as is a liar, we all know that. Because if you left here, when you're 3-year-old go America, or 4-year-old when you go America, you never enroll in a no school at Jamaica. But it come like you go America, which is a land of opportunity where deal with education. And you reach to become an American citizen and you don't take advantage of the education system over there, despite it might not as good as Jamaica one. But as we want to say a land of opportunity, I want to have all of benefit. And you not take no farm of say boy strive in your education after you never go to school at Jamaica at a tender age. And that's why you're bitter against people so and don't. So you cannot, articulate properly. Sit down and observe. You read a comment, and if you start read the comment, you read the first line. Once it have something bad in it, know if I you the person I talk about or somebody else, you take them on. All shit pit,
All I show the earth, okay, everybody. Mirrors. Hello, people. This is for my own purpose, Before she left it on Facebook, and a Facebook, it charity start. Cause she want to make money on YouTube. All about money. It's all about your business.
You see? Every time Dana makes strive to make money, you have a problem. And Dana make you stagnant. And Dana make you not make no money. And Dana make you not wise. And know how to market yourself and make money. If Dana can die the funeral of her life, where she know the vast amount of people who support our charity is from overseas. And majority of them not able to fly come to Jamaica to the funeral for more than one reason. Probably financial wise, business wise, time wise. You understand? They might not have that opportunity. So she not have to use our platform to bring it to them. The same platform and bring them to she, bring them to Miss Richie, and bring them to us. She have to use the same platform, to carry to them, Whether she can hold up for the funeral or she can't hold up, she have to get somebody to do the video and carry to them because they are sitting and waiting to see it. So you're not busy which platform she want to put it on, whether YouTube or Facebook. You not business with that. But what? You just sit down and worry about the woman money. You just sit down and worry about money, because I just money worry say you. You have so much talent. And that and I have none. And before you go use your talent and find the way out to use your talent and make $1, you sit down and wait for a woman when you have no talent, a woman that go in a studio, and what kind of song that she sing. But yet still she put out that song tomorrow morning on Vivo or one of them iTunes or one of them places there. Me know it going to sell more than the amount of sheet you ever sell in a year career of selling sheet. But a foolishness. But you have so much talent, singing talent, all kind of talent, comedian and everything. The last time I ball me, you're on your platform, I ball. Trevor, remember the last time when you meet me up, we meet up so and this and that, why you link me up? Because you feel like you're a comedian, you want Trevor to link you up, go put you in a play. I must say Trevor lollipop you want to lick. At 69 you want to get Trevor. Trevor not like your age woman. So you could have never lick Trevor lollipop. You understand? So you could never get a 69 from Trevor. Marcia, Trevor no like your type age. Trevor like the young, fresh vegetable them. Your vegetable withered. You coming like a 3 months old chocho. Whoever buy some chocho, buy all 1 dozen chocho and you put it down around half dozen chocho and you one drop somewhere in the fridge corner or in the corner which why you keep it. And when you do buck it up, you see it shrivel up and start grow. And the bottom part of it, where the root part, out favor one tongue, yeah. As some Marcia shrivel up on her tongue down there, so I shove out like how you see the chocho I shove out. So Trevor now have no excitement with you. Because him now have no clitter, no tongue for search for. Because here when done a project, I said Trevor see me here, and when him look it, I go frighten him. But you want Trevor to link you up because you want to prove say you're a comedian and you want to act some play with Trevor and whatsoever. Everything Dana do bother you.
Facebook, it charity start. Because she want to make money on YouTube. All about money. It's all about your business.
A Facebook you start, so why you have a YouTube channel? Why in a what day when you hear say, Ray, I like you say money I make a YouTube, why you come a YouTube? No, because of money. So you alone want money, Dana want money too. Dana have you say money. It has been proven that she have you say money and she have plans say money. Unlike you when you have no plans say money because you have so much land in Jamaica and you don't have a tattoo. You don't even have a foul cub. Not even a pig pen you don't have one piece of the land where you have boast about where people land are going like a year land. You talk about Taylor, and I can't blame your name. Me all agree say you have about 3-4 different fathers. Because your mama never gave the right father. You understand? So you come and talk about the woman and money, make you want to go over YouTube. She free to go anywhere she want to go, man.
Oh, go away. All about the money, but she gonna rub Miss Richie face. Miss Richie should have bite you. But she gonna take finger and rub over Miss Richie face and mouth. I take off lipstick. But she take off lipstick and rub off lipstick. And as she says she not like them sitting there. Then we not call Tina now. We not talk about Tina and this. Then we not talk about say she dead somebody and rub over dead somebody hand.
So, where you how Tina reaching at this now? So you see Tina and you comment now you draw Tina at this because everything you talk of late you draw Tina, you know. What if Miss Dana rub Miss Richie hand? What if she says she not like dead? People say a lot of things. But when time comes around, where the emotion and the time they come, where you have to go against like that, you have to do it. What if she rub Miss Shabby, you know? You go like she run out her, she bake and run out of the kitchen and she come and she rub Miss Richie hand. So mine over matter call when she go wash her hand, she bake. So mine over matter you go say, well no, Sammy, nah, eat no more like cake the right now because see that bake, she bake and she run, come go in the church and she go touch Miss Richie hand. That not bake right now? What, true you no beard? Me never hear you get up off our live yet and say you go beard. Me never hear you get up off our live and say you go beard. You always up on your bed you know. And we see you chuck under the bed before you lock off your life so you're not going to the bathroom. So no true you no beard and cleanse up yourself. You feel like say boy done the same thing. Cause you come talk about what I go say about Tina now. What if you say about Tina more than Tina nasty?
Then what?
Me see one man put up one sitting with Tina with one big piece of nail polish or so and she had broke cake where she said she just bake. So where the rest of nail polish gone? Where you tell me say she clean off that so she never see that big piece where left to clean off that too. And she clean off the rest of them could have come off in her cake. And that's if you got talk about. Why do you see Tina have one big old ring worm on her hand so then me see the man put up one picture recently I know over one other channel with one big old spot there right here so. You understand? And them nasty say if you got talk about. Them they are germs. Them they are sitting in your skin. Germs. Everybody not go toilet, go wipe them ass. Where come from your ass? Feces. And do you still go restaurant, go buy all of them food the way you buy? A feces that. So what? The person wash them hand. We go to toilet and look out for your crab leg and you look out for your this and look out for this again. So we have to try compare. The woman go touch Miss Richie and rub her down. Her hand now go cleanse up and wash up after. Then I bake till probably another 2 months. And every minute we see different germs pantina. Germs ya so all about. Q-tex pan hand and ya bake and show cake and take picture. And that you forgot to talk about. Everything you draw Tina in a thing so and what there.
No that now. When they pass social media talk about Tina Chin this and Tina Chin that and Kate this.
Help you look where?
And the girl go there rub up dead face and what kind of face she rub up? You know, say YouTube me gonna first me consider me because me want to criticize a little bit more. The this castic people, I know castic. And that is one of the cheapest castic in the place. That's a $200,000 castic. It can't be no more than about 275 to 3,000, 300,000. So what they there is go to? Because then the flowers, they are fake flowers. She have more fake flowers than real flowers in there. So what is for 300,000? The church? You tell me. Eh? You tell me now. What?
The church can't be for 300,000 because the church is not for $1. Because Dana come on our platform and say Pastor Coburn give her the church free. All him say I'm gonna do is collect we call it collection. You understand? Offering.
What is it for?
So you go on like say the casket, the funeral package as me say, is just about the casket for 700,000. Preparation, storage, the card, the button of them, the way call it sitting them where you get at the door for read what go on, yeah, them there. All kind of things involved in the 700,000.
Castic is so ugly. The woman pink up the woman like a woman a Barbie. Dolly baby. The woman is a mature woman dead at the age of 90 and she need a nice solid color castic. She don't need nothing. Me think say I want like a picnic she a berry. And put the woman there cheap brass. I am so disappointed to see the woman there piece of frock like she a man. When Miss Richie do in a jacket suit like she a...
Move from frock to jacket suit. Look at you. You just find all kind of fault. Because at the end of the day, it's not about Miss Richie. It's all about trying to carry down 99. As me say, what next? Me wanna jump on one new one on the pan. You rain a beg. Lord, him come from the same camp of Planka shop with Dana have. Yeah, see there? Boy, a scammer man. Him come now a beg. Me don't know what the story is like at 2 different page. We're connected to over phone place. Me see it too, you know. Cause the pan must see so TV. And I think the girl Tina Chin or somebody, either Lorraine same so TV or Tina Chin, but me know same so TV or one of them. Me see a broadcast it and I thought, yes, I think a Lorraine. Come here now. Come here, Lorraine. Yeah. Wanna still the Lorraine case? Or that is the next subject because funeral done. We're going to see because we're going to talk to the next string pop out. Well, this part of the video is when Dana did a talk about she and Miss Richie from she a come up and label and whatsoever. Listen, the bitter heart woman, how them fool and don't make a point out another part two again.
But I love Miss Richie lift up the top part take your stick pan her right along, you know. Yeah, watch ya.
Evil wishes on a man.
Watch ya, boot all a boner, watch ya. You boot a boner and go sit down.
So Dana make up her face. For the boot upon her. Unlike you, when you come at your gala, you want to put on the boot. Because a presentation, not even 5 minutes as you enter through the door. So for your one, did that burn you, it'll twist your ankle, it'll mash up your calf, and it'll draw down your own more. You understand? And that if you come tell the people how the ease when you come to the place, it make your home, did that hurt you. So when you come in at even 5 minutes, you couldn't stand up and take some picture in your booth. As you come in, the first thing you fling off, you can't wait to fling it off. So at that you have to talk about, not talk about Dana. And boot about because Dana was quite comfortable all the day. We and she never take off her boot.
But me think say a funeral me come, me never know say Dana show me come.
So I want to know, every funeral you go in and have the part of the procedure, yeah. How the rasta this? Hey, the way your heart are pain you're watching the funeral, you should just come and fight. You should just come and fight. You have too much complain and you still sit down on it. You come like the something when Miss Richie can stick the pan. You don't know that you don't have no wheel, because probably if you have a wheel, it run with you a long time.
I mean, I'm from man, you know, I want to go about business, you know. Watch ya.
And then I have your son, make you can't go about your business. Hungry I kill you, and you can't go about your business. I lie. That's what
So
I
when
have,
I
you know.
hear the story there already, then go sit down, man. See boot all lean about you there.
That foot was so comfortable in the shoes.
Jesus.
Remember now, you know, which part of the church there, you know. I didn't know so that Dana church there. Dana church is right across from our yard. Dana step out of the church, the slowest she walk, it don't take her more than 3 minutes, the slowest she walk. And if she say one little man for run go feet, within a minute him reach for her shoes or her flat slippers. So you did worry about Dana. Unlike you, you did have to take off your run in less than a second you reach your gala. So what are you weird for?
See if you pilot me.
She live a good life, a happy life. She happy. She love her little TV. She love every little thing.
She never lived a good life.
She made it home. Do I have any regrets? Yes. I should have.
Me can bet you say, Miss Richie live a 150% better life at 93 years old since Dana come fully in her life and Planka Nation. More than the life where you will live. Miss Richie place a old place and we never yet see a roach a crawl out in a Miss Richie place yet. Miss Richie place a old place. You understand? But yet still Miss Richie place look far bigger than your place where you live in a modern days place. You live in a modern days place and not even your kitchen you can't show. I cockatoo woman like you. 2 times you go up on video through your ear, people are cussing about yamming and cooking and everywhere. And you could have barely show the pot, you could even show the full pot because the pot was served black and dirty. That you could even show the full pot because then the pot that for me we live in Jamaica and people who are going like adventurous people who are going to do adventure who are cook on wood fire, not even coast to wood fire. You understand? So Miss Richie live a far better life than you since Dana take her up full time and plankers. So now come to us, Miss Richie live a good life. What kind of you live in a better life than Miss Richie? Miss Richie have all a 3 somebody that take care of her. You don't have none. You can't even take care of yourself. Because you hardly bathe. Because I never hear you say you go bathroom yet. Always. You got me bed there, man. Or when you just done near all kind of sitting where nasty up your neck where you have to put sitting in a clothes and sitting like you're a baby. Me never hear you get up say you go to bed. More than we just see you in the bed. I go bathroom. More than we just see you in the bed because the life no cut.
Anything I'm gonna get upset.
Yeah.
I remember I used to tell people say don't pay her no mind because she don't mean nothing. And she definitely never did. Yeah, you're so
I went down and get a $5 boot there from. I will carry a peerless boot again, Dana. No, sir. That look like I want a lady V boot.
What you have to talk about is the whole heap of old dry rotten peerless shoes them where you make people come on your platform, come collect the people them almost $1,000 and gone a peerless gone by. We can't serve no pitney, I better never give the pitney them none. We can't serve no pitney not even 2 months, not to mention if that the pitney they walk bad. I love walk and kick things. You understand? And you take all the credit for your, thank God my platform could have do this. Me can't tell you I know your platform because for your platform you'd have get the same support when you reach out. It's the type of person where you did have on the platform. Your platform, all that platform support them will support the platform, not your business. Them reach out and because of the cost of Seboy and needy kids. So nobody feel like the strength of your platform. You know, see I one go down and go and raise $2,000. Just sit down in a shop now, do nothing and just raise $2,000. Anytime you can do that talk, because you come at your platform at your word like your platform is any platform.
I must say lady V carry a boot again, Dana. Yeah, there. Watch it. No, sir.
All the pussy crab off of you, because the pussy say you have a malicious intention. You're bitter. Your heart of failure. So that's why the pussy crab you tell you, tap it, tap it. The pussy upon Marcia, tap it man. Tap it, you're too bad man. Marcia, tap it man, you're too grudgeful. Marcia, stop jealous of the people then Marcia. You're jealous. That's why I cook our crab you man.
The pastor smile can collect a good nice piece of offering there.
Sorry, I know you're here.
Me say the casket no cost no more than $275 and $300. Lorraine, call the funeral home, ask the funeral home how much should that casket there. That casket there can't be no more about $275 to $3,000.
So you can't take up your phone and call a funeral home.
The woman buried in a children casket. Where you pink up the woman casket for the woman and the woman.
So I never know say you have color for kids and color for adults. How are the Rastafari?
And a picnic. The woman is an old lady. Give the woman a nice plain casket with a little dove pan it and a flower.
Miss Richie is somebody will love color. She love color. So we are talking about plain.
You old demon, me, and the plank of this is Miss Richie. Are we the people of the United States of America, Canada, and England look after Miss Richie? Whether we wish her well and
Why people, if you don't see, because I say I 3 videos should do. I first never do a video so long. But it's true, I not going to nothing Saturday and Sunday, but just say let me go on this. You understand? But when she say we the people, if I you alone to write it, if are you alone, you all bitter heart you. You come like when church dry up and a catch. And the big old root part a come out. And that if you go worry about than a boot a boner and a cheap boot. You don't feel like say people are feeling expensive things. I want to know things expensive. If it not crowded and loud, it not expensive. It have a crowded and loud for expensive. Something can do simple. Just like all my shirt here. Where you tell people about polka dot. See it here? People this look like polka dot too, no? That's a polka dot look. I mean not just buy them. Unlike you, where you have your gala, you have to buy things, your feet, and you say you're a higgler and you shop and you're a fashionist. You're supposed to have things in your closet where you can just go jump to. Because that way you go buy it wasn't anything extravagant or outstanding to say, okay, this me want because it's outstanding. You could have wear any little thing where you have at your place. You know, you hold for cheap and clean them. Up to the man where you have in your bed, cheap and clean, because look on him foot them. Look on him foot them. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching, you know. Just hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads and remember the backup channel. Life is a Mission TV. Continue to support it. I see you not give me the support so far over there, but I want to know watch the video then because I need the watch hours. You understand? Yeah, I need the watch hours now. That's the most important thing right now. The watch hours to get this channel monetized. You know? So it can bring in its own money where I can do my own, you know, adventurous thing for the time being and regular cookouts and thing for the time being. You understand? And as I say, when I ask the cash up, I just try get it tested before I pin it too, no? I get it tested yet, I don't get nobody to send nothing to it yet to test it. As soon as I test it, I put it up. But as I say, I won't be begging on anything more than just remind you, just like I'm reminding about the channel. Say the link in the description or in the comment section. So if you want cash up and support the channel, I want to do that. The money now go in my pocket, it now feed me, it now pay me bills. It's just to support the channel. As I tell you now, to buy whatsoever things the channel are gonna need. Cause no when you come and say, yo, we're going to reach for go vlogging or we're going to open the hills or country. Come in, speak my mind, our life is a mission. We're going to do some vlogging and do some cookout and you know some adventure thing. So I have to have them things in place so the channel have to do it for itself. You understand? I am an investor, I am not a businessman. You understand? And when I say this, I said it because you can't have 3 business and 2 pull down one and you don't hear me tell you now and you still are investing in that. Every business is supposed to stand up on its foot. Yeah, one might have a down time where you have to back it up, but it have to stand up on its foot. So the channel have to stand up on its foot to feed itself for what it wants. Alright? Thanks for watching again. I'm out.